Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at trash for Jira software and Jira core projects. So I'm not sure if you have noticed or not, but on my Jira cloud instance there is actually this feature called trash. So basically if you delete a project, it will go to a trash or some kind of a recycle bin where it will stay for 60 days before it will get permanently deleted. So let us take a look ahead to this trash, and I'll probably delete a project. So let us say if I click on this project, demo project, I'll probably go to the admin section and I'll get rid of this project. And by the way, when you go to the project section, you will immediately notice this trash on the left hand side. And this is something I believe new uh, that was introduced on the cloud version of Jira. So let us say if you have to delete a project, let me find a project that I think I can delete. Maybe the demo project. I think this looks good. And when you click on this option, move to trash, this will be, by the way, it's very clear. It says move to trash. The project along with its issues, components, attachments, versions will be available in the trash for 60 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. Only Jira admins can restore the project from the trash. So let us move it to trash, and if you want, you can definitely go to trash and take a look at your project that you just deleted. And in my case, my project is demo project. And if I maybe try to create this this particular project again with the same key, let us see if I can do that. So if I maybe first verify the project key here, so I'll just take a look at the inspect element. So the project key is demo create. So let me try to do this. Let me try to create a new project with the same name. If I go to the projects and if I click on the create project, and let me select, let us not worry about the project name, project type. So project name is demo project, and key is demo create. So I believe this is the key. And immediately I noticed that there is this error that says project demo project uses this project key. So let me just try to change it to something else. So it is actually more than 10 characters. So you need to have a unique key. So the idea here is that if you want to delete a project, it will go to trash. And unless you clear your trash, you can still not create a new project with the same project key. So let me get rid of this. Let me delete this permanently. And hopefully now we should be able to create this project with the same key that we were using. That was the demo create. And now I think it is looking good, and I hope you got the idea. So the idea here is to basically use this trash and basically make sure that whenever you have to delete a project, it will first go to your trash, and it will be there for you to restore for 60 days. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.